Hello guys, what's up? How you guys doing? Say they like to carry you guys along. Finally, I don't land for Nick house. This place looks so beautiful. Do you imagine? Now I can't do that place this suffer. Eh? Ha. She wanna no say I don't tell on one story concerning this guy. Now what this guy and my ex guy you. Wey me with I was supposed to don't dey become husband and wife. Now he leave me for one girl. You understand? But I still thank God say he don't come back. You understand? You gonna know how the belle take happen. I no bin get the belle, but things tell me say make I no worry. So now I no wan make you know say I keep camera one place. You understand? So make we do our thing. Make us set am well. Which place I fit put this thing now? Make him know. Okay. Here do okay. Let's go. Woo!
Joy.
Ah,
How far?
I dey fine. I dey fine. But nothing, no.
It's already because they follow that.
Make I beg. You know say what you do me before, I never still forget. Ah,
One another ever let yesterday go. You understand? Every time they bring back yesterday. Why life be like that? At least I don't beg you now, we don't talk, we all settle. If you never forgive me, why you come out? I say forgiveness make you come. Why you because they bring yesterday matter and talk to me?
well, I don't want to talk too much.
Mama ask, Safa, I hope so you like my place.
Ah, Nick, your house fine now. Hear me? Your house fine, well, serious. Ah, you try yo.
What to do and I hear with the manage now.
Now you can't do as you say you no even get money. That time if I just ask you for money, you go even collect my own join.
But that time not really day like now. You know, so that time we still a struggle, you understand? Before God actually, bless us all because they are this. So I mean, they need to ask you, since you come house yesterday, you understand?
Okay.
How you take call get the papa not do? What is so?
Well, it's a long story.
And I was cut and short for 1 year.
I know how the thing take happen. You know say that time wey you leave me. So e get one guy wey I meet, na musician. So we can't do something. Though me and the guy will be best of friends before, you understand. So before you know it, I think say the guy go marry me, put me for house. Oh. So na so e be oh. Abeg Nick, no vex. No be this kind thing I wan just dey explain now. My head full. Shebi say you get something wey you go give me. Shebi say you cook for me.
Don't worry, all those are not the issue. You understand? Just relax. I call.
Okay. When I know say I tell una say this place where I be, my body just dey cool. Don't worry. I don't come, I don't sit down but I'm not going anywhere again. My followers, make una dey watch, make we see wetin dey happen.
I never really give woman the leg before, so I don't really know how to take care of a pregnant woman. I'll see your me now. Next time, you just need the try. You understand? You believe you need to finish up normally. I don't know about with you, you know.
Okay. Oh.
How is it?
You try oh. I you give am? This is sweet oh.
Oh, I cook up before now we dey run.
Wow.
You understand?
I mean, your girlfriend come put am.
As I come out. I tell you, I'm really run and call your friend. Maybe this house will be. You see all that doing.
No, because I go market now. I don't know whether your girlfriend don't come cook the food, come out. Because this food where they see so it's sweet past the one where man they cook.
So for this like a man of cook. They get men when they cook past women normally, you don't know. I mean I'm one of them, you understand? About enjoy yourself, Jerry. I've been that before. Someone call one compound, man, don't know with me, so I'm not to see you. Are you busy inside?
Okay.
You understand? Water dey fridge, if you need water.
Okay. Thank you. Eh?
Um,
Nick, Nick.
enjoy.
Okay. Oh. Guys, I don't make am. I don't make am. Don't worry, I will give on a next update. See you later. Hey.